how to empty trash can on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your recently deleted files on your iPhone so that you can permanently delete them. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is find and select the Files app on our iPhone. You can find it by just swiping from right to left until you get to the app library. Select the search at the top and type Files. Select it. Once it opens up, what we want to do is get back to the main menu of the Files app. So if it looks like this, just select the back button in the top left until you get to the main Browse section, and you will find Recently Deleted. So this is going to be the trash can, and all we need to do to empty it is to simply select the three dots in the top right, then choose Select, and then tap the items that are in your actual trash can, and then select Delete. It's going to tell you that this will be permanently deleted from your device, so we're emptying the trash can. Select Delete, and then there we go. The trash can is now emptied on our iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.